po ha. Little Red Riding Hood from... Little Red Riding Hood. Ang palakpakan naman natin si Arlen. Little Red Riding Hood. Turn ka nga kayo. Thank you so much, Arlen. Next up. Superman. Ano? Batman? I couldn't have guessed, no? I love it. Turn ka nga. Can you please turn for me? What's your name? Clarissa, what are you wearing?
Jarisa!
Jarisa, di ba napagdilatan pa ako ni ate? Jarisa. Jarisa, what are you wearing? Like a pose. Ay, ang haba ng bolo ni Ben. Di ba? Ulo na yung masustrike nito eh. Phantom of the Opera. Now, can we hear one song from you? Mazam, what's your name?
Good evening, my name is Camille.
From where? Gusto ko may pa-introduction. Di ba? Gusto mo ulitin natin? Gano'n, Miss Nat? Okay. Miss Camille, from where are you?
I am from Los Angeles. Char!
Wait lang, Los Angeles, Cubao? Or US?
Lele, Abunar place. And I am a casino dealer in the afternoon. And I am a vampire in the evening.
Dracula. I wouldn't have guessed. Akala ko ano lang, mamamalengke ka lang. Ano? I love it. So, Miss Lynette, turn and strike a pose. Furry. Can I know what's your name?
My name is May.
Wearing tonight.
I'm wearing a wolf.
Wolf! Kure, wolf, nega, wolf. Di ba nga dance? Okay. So, can you turn for us and strike a pose? Ay, ganon. Awoo! Regine! Awoo! I would not see. Your costume is very similar to what I played with when I was 3 years old. Yes. Bratz? Bratz? Polly Pocket? So, what's your name?
Victoria.
Miss Victoria, what are you wearing tonight? Annabelle who? Rama or De La Cruz? Alright. Rama to. Okay. So Mazam, Annabelle, turn and strike a pose. Ganon! Edie? Now, isa ka man Edie. Okay. Alright. Let me guess. What's your name?
I'm Rose.
Rose. So what are you wearing tonight, Rose? Let me guess. Pa-party ka sa ano?
This is only one. I will party later, so I'll just let you take off and then I will party.
What are you right now?
I'm a devil. I'm your nightmare.
She's it. Amazing. Ay! My assistant! Ay! Tony Gonzaga! Tamat may lati ko to! Si Tony Gonzaga ba to? Hala, sis! Ay! Kakala kasi sis! Ay! Wala! Ito makapatok lang ako dito. Your name?
Marcel.
Ay! Soriano? De La Cruz. Ay! So, Madam, what's your name? So, Madam, what are you wearing for tonight? Which? From where? Wait lang. Meron sa... From Capiz daw. Naku, lagot kayo. From Capiz. So, Madam Miss Maya, turn and strike a pose. Ganon. Oh, thank you so much. Alright, next up. Yung mga contenders natin, atas kasama dapat to eh. Matitrain tubusan tayo dito. hiningi yung mic! Hiningi yung mic! Ay! Ma'am! Ate, what's your name? Ma'am? What's your name?
Nanay G.
Ano daw? Nanay, lusin na tayo na lang. Ba na Alfonso? Ka-graduate ay nanginginig din sila. Ang dami nagpa-vibrate dito. So, Kuya Mayus, what's your name po?
I'm the Green Reaper, half Joker.
The Dream Reaper.
Ay, ang dami niyang pangalan. Pero Kuya also known as
Joker po.
Joker. Yung talaga pangalan mo, De La Cruz, Santos.
I'm Noy, under LMA.
Ay, ganun palo. Feels so good. Hey! Sayaw ka bakit ako? Alam mo ka naman natin si Sir Jasper. Ayan, congratulations, Sir Ronald. Lumalakog pa siya tapos disturb siya maraming. Disney! Walt Disney, where are you? Walt Disney, you have to come fast. That's a gift of... Ang hirap ng mga pinapangalan sa mga anak mo. Jarisa! Is the most... Alright, Mr. Joel from Torch Institute, if you can join us right here to award. Maleficent, wear your wings, wear your everything, and fly high, Ravenna. Manila. Oh, best in overall costume. Congratulations! Now, can I also ask after they take the photo up, can I have the Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Camila.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Alright, why we did that is because it's Miss Camila's birthday tomorrow. Birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hey.
It's also your birthday.
Make a wish muna, make a wish. So na make a wish.
Ay, naku.
Alright, so please can I call up one by one our guests and esteemed sponsors.
Mystical cosplay na may temang Transform Kids' Lives this Halloween, sponsor ASOL. Talaga namang nagdala or nagbigay sa amin ng sobra, or sa ating mga kabataan, lalo na sa ating mga kabataan, ng sobrang saya. Ginawa ko itong event na to with the aim na magkaroon ng diversity, magsama-sama, iba't ibang mga nasyonalidad, iba't ibang mga pinanggalingan, people from all walks of life na they have to understand Halloween is not just for kids. Halloween is not just to celebrate, yung nakaugalian natin, mga isa-celebrate yung mga wala na sa mundo. Halloween is not just for the dead, but also for the living. Nandito natin makikita na meron pala talagang may unity baga. Yung tipong kahit sino sila, kahit sino ako, pero pagdating sa ganitong occasion, nagkakaisa sila, nagkakaroon ng team unity dahil alam niyo, paggawa pala ng costumes, nakakatuwa na. Kasi sarili-sarili nila talagang expression yun, pinapakita nila. Yung mga kanilang, ano ba tawag doon? Yung mga kanilang, at sa mga dumalo, ay dali, ulitin mo. Gusto ko lang din malaman ng lahat na ang Halloween talaga ay para sa lahat ng mga gusto ko din pasalamatan sa ang mga dumalo no, sa naging success ng ating mystical cosplay on Halloween. Transform Kids' Lives. This Halloween sponsor is Soul Team. Kasi nakita ko talaga na grabe yung kanilang mga suporta